Yo ye Robert Kyagulanyi Center ago gemanyi g'abantu w'omulabirawo ali Dokolo agenza okukampeininga obubaka omukyala agenda okudda ku Bwawumani MP bitundu by'e Dokolo. Mukyala Harriet National Unity Platform gwe yawanzeeko eddusu okubeera nga abakwatira ekkaadi. Namungi w'omuntu akuumulukusa okubeerawo ng'abajulizi nga Kyagulanyi Robert Center mu abalaga omutuufu nti ono gwe twaleese ye waffe. Bannayuganda bakkiriza nti baagala enkyukakyuka era ye namungi w'omuntu oyo gw'olaba. Bano tebalanze wadde olunaku n'olumu babaguddeko bugwi naye abantu bakuŋŋaanye. Kyokka waliwo bannaffe abalangira emyezi 3 ne bagenda mu kitundu ky'e Masaka ne basombasombayo ku bawe bajja e Masaka ne bakuba enduulu nti bannaye tulina obuwagizi. Teebereza alangidde emyezi 3 n'otajjuza kisaawe. Kyokka ono atalanze n'agwawo bugwi n'afuna abantu bwe bati. Ddala ani y'ani? Kikwasa ennaku naye ate nga kituufu. Wamma bannayuganda mwebala okwebeereramu era ne b'Eddokolo tubasaba mujjukire omwana waffe Kyagulanyi Robert Center mu gw'abalaze mumulabiranga ddala.
Nian amenye karabero bere jole rapo abere chia mara chel ma gere ala bere ma jodusu amara jodusu agero jodusu Museveni mara jodusu Bobi wine mara jongwa dusu eno me eno bulukwere apwa yokwane anaga poya jolo party president our president, you are most warmly welcome in Ageni village. And I hope I'm going to vote for you. Vote. Even my sister. Today you are my vote sister. And you are going to be my friend. You are going to be my vote MP of Dokolo District. May God bless you. Amen. I wish you a safe journey. Amen. Obama polo mi ugumate. Amen. Akwa yelwa meposu. Ni uruchulwa owi ulo kajona. Where you win now bit Bobi wine. Where you win now bit now. I ask you to listen to these people and understand who is Bobi wine.
Madam sharinga video namwe
DJ, can you increase the volume of the microphone?
Kana onyo muntu atalaba ngatasobola kusharinga video mushanga video namwe
on behalf
tuli koboko.
Sorry
batya
Mr. President, I have a lot of people, more than 50 now 50 people who is now going to be your what? So I have two. They are here. Akwa yo jome boda metikare. Atela jone molohore ni giromia nyingi kare. So akwa yo game bidu bora kare. Atela kitikan otikere jopira bicha molohore ko ichawani. So kira jokwa yo ni imigi jok kare chele teme igitisa. We have kare. Okay, omegera akwa yu niko chunguru mot. Iti winyumo? Iti winyawono? President. These young people, formerly most of them they were NRM and FDC, others are from UPC. So right now they are crossing to NUP officially in your presence. And also, they are requesting that they need t-shirts. That one we are going to handle it later on. So apparently, just a minute, we are going to discuss a few things with you after this speech. Okay? Thank you.
So my name is called Muzepi. You know me when I was a radio. I've been talking. So now I want to change officially. So President, this is the good man. I'm original. I'm a man. I want to change officially on your party. I've been joined to the head for the long time. I've been suffering. I'm very poor. So right now,
Manange okusharinga tetukuyombera okusharinga sikaka okusharinga kutambuza message yaffe gye tuba tulese n'abantu abalala bakirabe bane mubeeremu amagezi ate nammwe sera mweyisa ate nga abantu bamuhoozi kubagamba sharinga obulemu ayombera kusharinga kyaba okusharinga bakulya mubeeremu nammwe ate amagezi wama bakitegedde mu sharinga video
itwero ni andalwongo Deputy President officially been showered on Mama Lina Africa. People power! People power! People power! Kunga beni kunga! Kunga kwera kunga! Kunga dokolo kunga! Kunga dokolo kunga! Kunga our President kunga! Kunga Harriet kunga! Kunga Bobi Wine kunga! Apoya Wundushu, here Dr. Lina Zadriga and Deputy President, many of them in Uganda. To see that we are in large numbers here in Kwera sub-county. Yes, I take full responsibility. You want to hear from His Excellency. I want to thank the chairperson and all of you. And on that note, I, as Dr. Zadriga, together with you, I invite His Excellency Robert President, officially.
Yabananga kino ekibiina kya People Power kya John Bosco kibala metro ne UP. Sabula!
People power! People power! People power! Give me some more microphone. Yongeza microphone. Those people that are standing in front of the speaker, you stand down from the speaker if you're not on camera. I want the people of Dokolo district to hear me very well. People power! People power! Say Kaweng. When I say Kaweng, you say NUP. NUP! Kaweng! Apoyo Matiek. Apoyo Tupar. People of Dokolo district. People of Dokolo district. I want to thank you very, very much for showing up today to welcome us. I thank you for welcoming me when I came in 2021. Today, the special person, the guest of honor is not me, it is my sister, Harriet Ageno today.
I am happy
that you welcomed a very intelligent woman. Uganda needs more than just Bobi Wine. For so long I've been telling you that any man has a Bobi Wine in their area. So today I am welcoming the female Bobi Wine here in Dokolo by the name of Ageno Harriet. I want to say just a few things before I hand over to her because today she's the guest of honor. We have a new fighter for the freedom of Uganda by the name of Dokolo Awuuma. I want this message first of all to go to you, young people. If you are 45 years and below, let me see your hand in the air. You see, you are the majority here. For a long time, Dokolo district in particular and northern Uganda in general, northern Uganda, they have been kept in poverty. They have been kept behind. If you doubt the words that I'm saying, you look at the road in your area. Look at the hospital in your area. Look at the schools in your area. Look at how much land has been stolen from you. Look at your children and tell me if that is how you want them to grow up. There is a reason why Museveni does not want me to come and talk to you, because he knows I'm going to tell you the truth. He has blinded all the people, especially in northern Uganda, using money and violence. He has divided us using tribalism. I am here to tell you that we want to create a new Uganda where we are all equal no matter which tribe we come from. And by saying this, I am representing everybody, particularly where I come from in Buganda. And let me also get the opportunity to say this while I'm here in Dokolo in northern Uganda. Do not allow a few tribalistic people make you think that all people are tribalists coming from there. We are talking of a new Uganda where all of us are equal before and under the law. Uganda is very rich, but Ugandans are very poor. That is because all the money that they get from our taxes, they steal it every time. The parliament now has become a house of thieves. Thieves in yellow and also thieves in opposition. It is you, the people of Dokolo, that are going to help to change that. We want every chance, every opportunity that we get to change that parliament and put their good people. We must use that chance. We must use that opportunity. Today, our chance has come, and it has come in Dokolo district. The people of Dokolo district, the person that you send to the parliament is the one who is going to show what the true picture of Dokolo. Don't send their people who are going to sell you to the
Yoyo His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu ng'ali mu bitundu by'e Dokolo abuulidde abantu bano ensonga lwaki Museveni tamukkiriza kugendako mu bantu bano basisinkana kubanga akimanyi bulungi nti aba agenda kubazibula amaaso ababuulire ebyo omwami Museveni byababisseeko akatambaala, ababuulire amaanyi gaabwe ge balina nga bannayuganda, ababuulire biki mwami Museveni byababbako lwaki yeekumidde mu buyinza nga tayagala kubuta. Naye olwaleero abyogedde era nga bakakasa nti bwe munaalonda omukyalo oyo Aliet Angeno mujja kubeera nga mukoze ekirungi, lwa nsonga bwe mubeera ne MP omulungi ayambako kinene naye okuba enduulu nti abaaye ene waffe kiri bwe kiti ne bwe kiti, abaaye obugagga bwaffe babutwala mu ngeri bweti ne bweti. Bwe baneebeereramu kijja kuba kibayambako okuzuukuka bannayuganda okusobola okumanya biki ebifa mu bitundu byabwe, kubanga ate yo Northern Uganda bagivunzizza nnyo.
I come from in Uganda.
Alete kopi uni kanalati yelo nami kucha alati epijo dishu.
And let me also get the opportunity to say this while I'm here in Dokolo in Northern Uganda.
Weda kopi huwa mati tumal me Uganda ni kopi.
Do not allow a few tribalistic people make you think that all people are tribalists coming from there.
Pemi jo wana no buoluni jo poro.
We are talking of a new Uganda where all of us are equal before and under the law. Uganda is very rich, but Ugandans are very poor. That is because all the money that they get from our taxes, they steal it every time.